Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about Pune's real estate market. So Pune's real estate market is slowing down but isn't exactly crashing. Property registrations in Pune are down by 39% year on year. Sounds scary, right? But here's the real twist. The Pune real estate market isn't exactly crashing, it's correcting. So what's really happening and what does the slowdown actually mean for the buyers and investors? Watch this video till the end to find out. October 2025 saw a sharp dip in the property registrations in Pune. On paper, it looks like the demand has fallen off the cliff. But numbers without context can be misleading, right? This dip is not because people don't want to buy homes anymore. It's because prices peaked in many micro markets. Buyers have become extremely cautious and investors have paused to reassess. More than that, affordability has become a real conversation. In short, this is not panic selling, it's smart waiting. Now this brings us to our most important part. What is slowing down the market? Here are three key reasons. One is price fatigue. Post-COVID, prices jumped fast. Buyers are now asking, is this property really worth it? Secondly, buyers are smarter today. People want transparency, they want legal clarity, and the real resale value, not just fancy brochures. Market segmentation. While luxury and premium homes are still selling, mid-income buyers are slowing down. They're waiting for better deals. This tells us only one thing. Demand hasn't disappeared, it has matured. So why is Pune still resilient? Despite the slowdown, IT corridors remain strong. Rental demand is healthy. Infrastructure projects are ongoing. End users still dominate the entire project. This is why experts are calling it a pause and not a downfall. And pauses are actually great moments if you have the right information. So what is the real problem? It is information gap. The real issue that no one talks about. Buyers don't know which projects are actually worth buying into a slowdown. Developers won't tell you the full price. Brokers may push inventory. And online portals don't show you the ground reality. That is where the buyers get stuck. This is exactly why platforms like Real Estate Online exist. The best part about this platform is that you can research all the property listings and have unfiltered conversations with actual sellers about the hidden costs and even compare them with the rentals in the same area. Real Estate Talk isn't just a buying or selling app. It's a community of all things real estate. Be it buying, selling, renting, leasing, redecorating, consulting, or even Vastu advice. This community just has it all. Visit Real Estate Online to explore all the real stories and ask real questions because in a slow market, clarity is your biggest asset.